Hi, I'm Cheetham, artist from Los Angeles. I've been teaching 16 years. I'm just some guy that makes art. I've been doing it my whole life. I came to Menorca to teach a workshop. It's beautiful. It's very relaxing. I love the weather, the changes. Very professional setup with everybody here. Students are wonderful, seem to be having a great time. I really do enjoy just the way you guys put everything together with the dinners and the group meetings and the community that's created. It's a lot of fun. Very different from other workshops because of that, how we all live together and immerse ourselves in the art and each other, just learning from one another. I get back from the students as well as do my job of giving, hopefully. Yeah, I mean, I think that's the main difference, because every other workshop you're kind of just in class and then it's over. And this we get to talk about things all night and talk art theories, talk about life in general, and even not talk about art and get to know each other. I'm used to working with all levels of students, so really there's no main way I don't want everybody to come out the same, but I do want everybody to get better with their own skill set and their own sort of vision.
Thank you.